Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is Dylan. You guys are chilling with Dylan, and today's going to be a brand new video for you guys. It's going to be my top 5 pickups from 2023. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, let us get right into the video. Before I start, though, make sure you guys are smashing that like button. Please hit the subscribe button as well, because we are cruising to 1,000 subscribers. I know for a fact we could do it by February 2024. And also, guys, don't forget to hit the post notification bell so you don't miss another one of these slappers. And without further ado, guys, number 5 on the list. It's really not in a particular order, but if I had to put it in order for my pickups this year, this is going to be number 5 on the list. Here we go. That's right, guys. So number 5 on the list is going to be the Air Jordan 11 Gratitude. So the Air Jordan 11 Gratitude was the holiday Jordan 11 release for last year. An absolute classic, a banger. Closest that I'm going to get to the Concord 11s in probably quite some time, considering this year the Legend Blue 11s or the Columbias are going to be releasing for this holiday 2024. So very happy with this pickup. It was actually a relatively easy pickup this year because they did make so many pairs, but just a complete classic, and it was a must-cop for my collection for 2023. And guys, if you want to see in-detailed reviews of any of these shoes, most likely they're going to be up on the channel, so make sure you guys are going over to the official review for these sneakers. And coming down to number 4, guys, for top pickups for me personally that released in 2023, it's going to be these guys right here. I know that this is a relatively recent release. It was in November of this year, but really clean pair, guys. So I actually ended up keeping these guys right here. I did get rid of the black pair. I actually sold them. Honestly, like I told you guys previously, I wasn't really feeling that all black sneaker. I usually don't wear all black sneakers, so having this be primarily a really light gray finish, really nice. And honestly, I really just like the color scheme of this particular one from the A Ma Maniére Air Jordan 5 collaboration a little bit better. So obviously, like I said, detailed review over on the channel already, but number 4 spot's going to go to these guys right here, man. It's a banger, let's be honest. These were clean, absolutely clean. Alrighty, guys, and for number 3, we're going to have one of the more controversial shoes that released this year. It's going to be the Union Air Jordan 1s with the Beffy's Beauty Supply collaboration. Man, you know, I know a lot of people did not like these things, but your boy really likes them. If you have been following this channel for a little while, you're gonna know Air Jordan 1s are my absolute favorite model from Jordan Brand. So these were a must cop for me, and honestly, I just love the colorway. I love the cream hits. I like the sail throughout the sneaker. I also like the gray suede, the gray on the swoosh. I love the pop of the yellow laces. I love the raw edging from the yellow around the edges as well right there that they normally do. I like the exposed foam tongue. I like all that good stuff. Like I said, full review down in the description because it is posted on the channel already. But yeah, man, really clean colorway in my personal opinion. Really liked these guys. So it's going to be number 3 on my top 5 pickups for 2023. Now, before we get into the final 2 pickups from this year for me personally, I do have to preface this video by saying I was very selective this year. There's a lot more sneakers that released, obviously, this year that your boy would have loved to have been able to cop. It just wasn't in the cards for me this year. I really honestly didn't get lucky with a whole lot of limited drops. The most limited drop that I was actually able to cop in 2023 was probably the 2 Kobe's, the Reverse Grinch, and also the Mamba Citas as well. So yeah, I really wasn't like super lucky this year as far as copping. There's a lot more pairs on the radar I would have loved. I would have loved to have been able to cop the J Balvin 3s that came out. It just wasn't in the cards, and to be honest, I was very selective and trying to save a little bit of money this year, man. So that's kind of why my top, pickups kind of played out the way that they played out, but you'll see because I'm also going to have some honorable mentions in here as well. So getting down to number 2, guys. Man, this is a tough one looking at them. So, you know what I'm going to do? Just by looking at them, guys, I'm going to make the executive decision to make number 1 a tie. You're going to see why. But here's number 2. Let's throw them out here. It is the Nike SB Dunk Low Gardenia Fly Streetwear collaboration. Guys, I got super lucky with these. I'm not even going to lie. And honestly, it's probably one of my favorite SBs that even released this year, in total, as it is anyway. So yeah, definitely happy with these guys. A super clean, super dope colorway. I just love the royal blue hits. I love the gray. I love the sail and the midsole. And that Nike swoosh is something that is just full of detail right there, with the thick embroidering with the stitched. Also the little detail right there on the heel. You got that right there. Like I said, full detailed review on the channel already. But yes, guys, the Fly Streetwear Nike SB Dunk Low, a must cop for me, honestly. Super happy I was actually able to get these things. And yeah, that's going to be my number 2 pickup for 2023. Alrighty, guys, so my tie for top 1 pickups for me personally for 2023. Now, this isn't a list of the top sneakers of 2023, just my top personal pickups of 2023. It's going to be a tie between these right here, and you'll see next, but these were an absolute must-have for me, guys. So the White Cement Reimagined Air Jordan 3s. Your boy actually got a triple up on these things. That's because I love these things so much. I wanted, obviously, the OG 88 White Cements that came out a couple years ago. Wasn't able to cop those. Was able to cop these. Got that Nike Air on the back. Another reason why this was a must-cop. I love the vintage out look of it. And honestly, these things are mad comfortable too. So this was definitely a must pick up for me. So happy I was able to cop them. Happy I'm able to grab 3 pairs of these things because I'm rocking these things until the next White Cements finally release again. So top number 2. No, it was tied for number 1. Tied for number 1. We'll say tied for number 1. Let me know. You guys cop these things? Were you guys excited for this release? How many pairs did you get? And would you put this in your personal top 5 pickups for 2023? And guys, last but not least, I wanted to make this a tie because the White Cement is such an iconic sneaker for Jordan Brand. But this was your boy's first W on a Travis Scott. That's right, we're going to have the Travis Scott Air Jordan 1 Low Olives, the women's exclusives. Man, I don't even know what else I can say about these things. I'm going to make a full detailed review on this. I don't actually have one on the channel yet. I am going to make a full detailed review on this. Let me know if you guys want to see that down below in the comments. But guys, I mean, you got the extra laces. You got all the extra laces here. An absolute banger. It's my favorite color is the olive. I cannot wait for those other olives, the reverse olives, to be dropping later this year, where the olive colorway has the suede all around the toe box, stuff like that. Those things are going to be absolute sick. Really hoping I can cop a pair of those. We all know how Travis's work. Very limited, very hard to cop. Your boy already rocked these a couple of times. Premium sneaker. I absolutely love this sneaker. Let me know. You guys end up copping any Travis Scotts this year? Your boy got super lucky with these things. And yeah, definitely, honestly, probably my favorite shoe in my collection at this point, other than the Chicago Reimagined, the Lost and Founds. This has to be number 2 in my entire sneaker collection. Yeah, these are an absolutely beautiful sneaker. Considering it's, has my favorite color on it already. I threw the green laces in as well. Obviously a number 1 pickup for your boy. And, any Travis Scott that releases throughout the year, I feel like should obviously be placed in at least the top 10 sneaker of the year. Now, it's going to be interesting to see his high school rendition, that canary with the blue colorway. It almost reminds me of a Laney Jordan, but should be interested to see those and how those pan out. I feel like that's the more abstract, Travis Scott. It's normally the earth tones, but we'll see how those pan out. Obviously, everybody's going to try to go for them. So, yeah, let me know, guys. The Olive Air Jordan 1 Travis Scott lows in your top 5. Let me know down below. Let me know what you guys' was your personal pickup that meant a lot to you this year, your favorite release of this year in general. Were you selective this year? Were you copping a lot? Let me know all that good stuff down below. Also, rate my top 5 pickups this year. Did I get lucky on any of these? Was I way off? I mean, like I said, I didn't pick up a whole lot of sneakers this year. Been honestly selling a whole lot more this year than copping. But let me know about my list. I thought I got some pretty good pickups in here this year. And yeah, so let me know down below in the comments how my list was. And without further ado, guys, my name is Dylan. You guys just chill with Dill. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, all that good stuff. Me and 2023, we're out, baby. Peace.